Hello everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can accept friend requests here on Discord. Before we dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But with that being said, the first step, obviously once you get into Discord, is actually to go ahead and select the Discord logo up in the very top left to get to a page that looks something like this. Up at the top of your screen, there's going to be a few different options in this friends category. Go ahead and click on pending. Right here, once clicking on this, you're going to see a list of every single one of your pending requests. Just go ahead and find whoever you're trying to accept the friend request from. In this case, we'll just do this guy right up here. Select on his name and then hit accept. Now what you can also do is simply just go ahead and click on this little accept arrow, which is going to be this check mark all the way on the right. But doing either of those two options is going to allow you to successfully add them as a friend. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Discord tips just like this. We really would greatly appreciate it. It does help out the channel a lot. But if you do have any questions, once again, don't hesitate to ask us down below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.